In this video, I'm going to show you how we stayed at this gorgeous 5-star Overwater Bungalow with our own private infinity pool for 8 days and 7 nights, and how we spent less than $6,000 on our modern Overwater Bungalow. My name is Marilee Blair, and out of the 54 countries I've traveled to, the Maldives is my #1 favorite. My goal is to give you special travel tips exploring the world one video at a time with me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button to support this channel. Now, let's get into the Maldives Overwater Bungalows. When you think of a dream vacation, you think of staying at an Overwater Bungalow. At least that's what I think about. I picture staying at a bungalow where we have our own private infinity pool and being able to swim out into the beautiful light turquoise waters of the beach right from my room. And everyone would easily book this dream vacation, but when you research prices for most 6-day, 5-night Overwater Bungalows for the Maldives or Bora Bora, most of the prices range from $12,000 to $20,000 for 2 people and up, depending on how luxurious the bungalows you book are with your flights. Although luxury is great to enjoy on such a special, once-in-a-lifetime trip, me and my husband have always been into making sure each trip we take is cost-effective so we can still travel to other countries and destinations in the same year, as we usually enjoy traveling somewhere monthly instead of just throwing all our money into one big trip a year, which is exactly what we would have to do if we threw $20,000 on one Overwater Bungalow trip. So after hearing where our friends stayed and how much they spent for 5 to 6 nights, I just couldn't justify spending what they had. So I decided to keep researching. I knew there had to be a resort that had more affordable options, and I was determined to find it. So some other feedback that we received from friends was that they got really bored after a few days and there wasn't much to do. So I started wondering if the Hard Rock Hotel had a resort in the Maldives or Bora Bora, because I've been to so many different Hard Rock hotels in Cancun, Riviera Maya, and Los Cabos for work, and you never get bored at a Hard Rock Hotel. And my husband and I do like to relax, but we like having options to do things, like at least 1 to 2 activities. So we figured this would be our best bet. Hard Rock hotels are always a lot of fun. They have live shows, pool parties, they have fun free activities like karaoke, a lot of restaurants to choose from so you're not bored of the food, and they are usually all-inclusive. They have shows and fun excursions that you can add. So I got really lucky that when I was researching back in 2019, lo and behold, I saw there was a brand new modern style Overwater Bungalow at the Hard Rock Hotel opening up in the Maldives. And it included our own infinity pool in addition to being able to swim directly into the ocean from our room. Now, not only did we find the perfect fun hotel with lots of activity and food options, but the price was amazing, so we booked it. We booked an 8-day, 7-night stay for the Platinum Overwater Pool Villa at the Hard Rock Hotel in the Maldives that cost us $4,039 for 2 people. That included a buffet breakfast at the Sessions restaurant, and we got the option for dinner to either do a 3-course dinner at a selection of dinner restaurants, or we could use a $40 dining credit per person for signature dinner restaurants, which were the more upscale restaurants. So we did that and paid the difference, which is such an amazing deal for an Overwater Bungalow experience and for their signature restaurants. Location. The Hard Rock Hotel Maldives is located within the Akasdhoo Lagoon. It's the first integrated resort destination in the Maldives, and it's only a 20-minute boat ride away from the airport. The award-winning Hard Rock Hotel Maldives has 178 spacious rooms, including family suites, so if you want to bring your kids, you can. They have beach villas and 1- and 2-bedroom overwater villas exclusively on a beautiful island. Guests are able to enjoy different brand offerings and amenities like an outdoor pool with a water slide, underwater speakers, and so it just makes it amazing for family, friends, individuals, or as a couple on your honeymoon. Here is a travel hack. So we have found every time we stay at a new hotel, it's always cheapest when it's first opening, which is the best time to book it. And then when they build a following, sometimes they intend to increase their prices. But I recently checked their website, and the cheapest overwater bungalow room with an infinity pool that includes some special discounts is about $614 a night, which is still an amazing deal in 2024. So if you want to experience luxury while saving money, you should book it now and thank me later. Food. Now, there are more than 12 restaurants, not only on site at Hard Rock, but also at Sky Lagoon Maldives and the marina at Crossroads, like the Hard Rock Cafe Maldives and the award-winning Ministry of Crab, Carne Diem Grill by Ignis Maximus, and Neo Nanbashi Blue Sushi Restaurant, and there's so many more restaurants. And the package we booked, again, included 1 hour of free-flowing signature cocktails and cocktails every evening at sunset at our hotel. Plus, we got welcome drinks when we arrived. We got free champagne, wine, a cake, and roses for our honeymoon, and they included appetizers. So we decided not to do the all-inclusive package as we just got so much food since we had the buffet breakfast and the dinner credit. So it was plenty of food for us, and we are the type of people who work out on vacations first, then we go straight to eat at the buffet closer to closing time, so that way we would be full for breakfast and lunch, and then we do our intermittent fasting, so we don't even really eat breakfast before 10. So this package really worked best for us. Activities. This hotel offers a lot of activities. They have an amazing spa, fitness center, free bikes to ride around the entire resort, plus you can ride around the marina and to the other hotels, but they are a first come, first served basis. They also offer complimentary golf cart service to your room, complimentary use of kayak and snorkel gear. We did pay extra though because I wanted to do the glass kayak and see the water in the kayak. Plus, there is also a really cool swing to take pictures on the beach for cute Instagram photos and content, the outdoor pool for everyone at the hotel to use, and the other beach where the pool is. So you had a lot of options of things to do. You don't only have to use your infinity pool in your room, but it's still a great thing to do. And they have entertainment shows to enjoy in the evenings on their program of scheduled events and activities. They also have boat and other excursion tours that you can book if you want to leave the hotel and do some fun adventurous things. But we decided that we wanted to stay at the resort and enjoy the pool and beach, our room to enjoy our own infinity pool and beach access, and of course the shows, the gym, and the marina, which was really great for us, and the main outdoor pool. Transportation. Our package also included the round-trip boat that picks you up from the airport to take you to the resort and back, and again, that complimentary golf cart service so that when you have all your bags, they'll take you to your room and back. But you can utilize it more to get to your dinner reservations if you don't want to walk. But me and my husband love being able to walk around the resort, even when it would get longer, because it was just a great experience that we wanted to take in. Flights. I have the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card, so I had accumulated a good amount of travel points. So when we were going to book our flights, I had $234.46 worth of travel points. So we used it and only paid $1,800.10 for our flights, which is 905 cents per person, which is a great deal to travel to the Maldives. So since we live in Southern California, our flight left from San Diego to Dallas, Dallas to Doha, and Doha to Mali, utilizing American Airlines and Qatar Airways. And from Mali, we were greeted by Hard Rock Hotel staff to the speedboat transfer that took us directly to the Hard Rock Hotel and took us back when we departed the Hard Rock back to the US. So here's a quick recap. When booking an expensive overwater bungalow, you don't have to pay $12,000 to $20,000 to get a nice hotel in paradise. We paid $1,800.10 for our flights and $4,039 for our room, food, included speedboat transfers, and enjoying the hotel, bringing our grand total to $5,839.10, less than $6,000 for all of that. We definitely spent less on our overwater bungalow experience than most of our friends and most people. And it's not because we're famous or know somebody, it's because I spent so much time researching until I found a deal and price that we were happy with that didn't break the bank. And we made sure we tipped, as that's very important in the hospitality world. So I would give this all-inclusive 5 stars and more for all it had, since we loved it so much, from the gorgeous room, private infinity pool, and beach to swim out to from our room access, the large pool with the water slide to enjoy, the other side with the beautiful beach and views, amazing customer service, delicious food, and so many food options from all the restaurants, the glass kayak experience, the entertainment shows they had, and the free bikes. It was such an amazing deal that we got to enjoy all of this and to experience a new, more modern, affordable Overwater Bungalow resort. So I hope this review has helped you decide if you will enjoy the Hard Rock Overwater Bungalow in the Maldives. Thank you all for exploring the world one video at a time with me, your own personal bougie budgeter. If you found this video helpful, check out my Amalfi Coast, Italy and Big Island, Hawaii YouTube videos that people really enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and look for brand new episodes every Wednesday. And for all helpful info I mention, look for them in the description below.